We all live in the environment that provides a number of things to support life on the earth. In fact, in order to survive, we need some basic items. These items include water, land, air, food, clothing, shelter, etc. These are derived from the environment. But some of these are not very useful in their raw forms. To make them more useful and valuable, human beings put their technological efforts. In this way, the items taken directly from the environment are processed and made more useful as a resource. Well, that brings me to the topic of this video, resources. Resources are everywhere around us, from the smallest needle to the most lavish car. If a thing has utility, it is a resource. The raw materials that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are known as the resources. Anything becomes a resource because it is usable, profitable, or beneficial for the one using it. But how does something become a resource? Well, things become resources only when they have a value. Now, what value refers to here is the worth of the product, and it depends upon the use and utility of a resource. Let me tell you that all resources have some value. It may be large or small, but everything is worth something. Different resources become valuable for different reasons. Some resources can be bought or sold, or can be used to make things that can be bought or sold. Minerals are example of economic value. Human beings have needs for pleasure. Mountains, waterfalls, and beautiful landscape are resources because we enjoy their beauty. They have aesthetic value. Resources such as land, air, water, they are essential for life. It becomes our responsibility to protect them from pollution. So laws have been passed to protect the environment. Such laws have attached legal value to the resources. Similarly, our flora and fauna has to be protected from indiscrimination, cutting of trees and killing of wildlife. These resources have ethical value. The use of the resources changes with the development of technology. Earlier man used wood to make wheels, but the discovery of wheel led to making railway slippers. Similarly, discovery of fire led to cooking. With the development of technology, coal is being used for producing thermal electricity. Similarly, some of the resources become valuable with time. Like grandmother medicine remedy have no commercial value today. But if they are patented and sold in the market, it could become valuable. So children, we find that time and technology are the most important factors which can change a substance into resource. So children, there is still a lot left to learn. I will meet soon.